Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nupur. I'm physiotherapist at Kohinoor Hospital. So today we are going to learn few exercises for a very common problem that we all suffer from, that is neck pain, or as what doctors say, cervical spondylitis. So why do we have cervical spondylitis or neck pain in a very layman term? It is because we are constantly in a very bad posture throughout the day. We are constantly writing, working, or constantly on the laptop for a very long hours of time. So we need to take care of our posture. We need to make sure our neck gets rest and exercises in equal quantities. So how do we get about with it? So I'll be teaching you few basic exercises that you can do throughout the day, maybe 1 hourly or 2 hourly in your free time, or maybe when you're working you can just take a break of 5 minutes and you can just get it done. So you feel relaxed as well as your neck gets the daily dose of exercises throughout the day. So let's begin. In the starting, I'll be teaching you exercises which increases the range of movement of your neck. That is just basic ROM exercises as we call it in the physiotherapy language. Then we'll be doing strengthening exercises for your neck and a little bit relaxing exercises that you can do it even at home or just when you're working or just when you're traveling as well. So let's begin right now. So the first exercise we will be doing is the flexion of the neck, which is called a yes movement. So it is like this. Look up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If your neck is a little bit tight, you might feel a little bit of tension in your behind of the neck, and that is normal. You don't need to worry about that, and that's a very normal phenomenon. Next is a no movement. See, we did a yes, now we do a no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a no movement. Next we are going to do is ears on shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If any point of the exercise you feel uncomfortable, stop right away. Don't overexert yourself, otherwise you might end up injuring your neck than doing good for it. Alright, next we will be doing a chin tuck. Chin tuck is something like a chicken tuck that you can call it. You have to take your heel, the chin of your neck behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you might feel a little discomfort behind the neck, but again that's normal. You shouldn't feel dizzy, woozy, or you might not face any blackout or something, so don't do it if you feel like that. Next we will do normal half circles or semicircles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's half circle. Next we will be doing a little bit strengthening exercises, or that's what we call static exercises for your neck. So place your palm on your forehead. Now try to press your forehead on the palm. Do not use your hand strength, use your neck strength. So press it, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't use your hand pressure, you have to use your neck pressure. Again, with your left hand, press your neck to the left side. Don't bend, you have to just press on your hand. Can we begin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Same on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now take both your hands and place it behind your, little above your neck maybe, and then press your neck behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Press 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is static neck exercises. A little bit of stretching will do no harm. So let's try a little bit of stretching, guys. So have your hand in front. Your elbow should be facing the front. It shouldn't be down or up. It should be at level. Now take your other hand. Now my right hand is flexed in front. So use your left hand and push it ahead. Hold it for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Again, 1, 2, 3. Relax. Again, 1, 2, 3. Relax. Same with the other side. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Again, 1, 2, 3. Relax. And press again. 1, 2, 3. Relax. So these are the simple exercises that you can do at the ease of your office, your workstation or your home. Even the working ladies who are working at home should do all these exercises, because neck pain is not just someone who has been working on a laptop. It happens with everyone. Second thing you need to follow is neck pain is literally associated with the amount of stress you have throughout the day. So you need to even take care of your mental relaxation. Whenever you feel that you're getting exhausted or you're feeling very angry or your emotional well-being is not stable, what you can do is just place your hand on your lap. Breathe in and breathe out. That will help to ease off your tension, or it will induce relaxation in your body. Studies have shown that tension and neck pain have a very significant correlation. So a happy mind keeps a happy neck and in general a happy body. So that's it for now, guys. We will do next exercises as and when, and these are all the neck exercises you need to follow every day. Thank you.